Hey, this is Michael, WBX123 here, and before you watch this video, I would honestly appreciate if you can subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I post new content, such as review, unboxing, playtest, how-to videos, and much more. Anyways, I hope you enjoy this video. Hey, this is Michael, WBX123 here, and this is going to be an unboxing of the Nike Tiempo Legend 7. In which is part of the Nike Always Forward Pack colorway, in which is pretty much all blue and black, kind of like a little bit of silver I think, but I'm not quite sure. But yeah, that's part of the colorway. So yeah, let's get on with the unboxing.
For you to realize I want you all to myself. Don't wanna share you with nobody else. Burned me once or twice, I expect them. I just wanna know what your truth is. Will you be the one to break me out of this? I want you all to myself. Don't wanna share you with nobody else. So give me something to believe. Will you promise me? Will you promise me? So give me something to believe. Will you promise me? Will you promise me?
So yeah, that was the unboxing video of the Nike Tiempo Legend 7 Elite in the Always Forward Pack colorway. So yeah, overall 1 out of 10. This colorway probably looks like the best colorway out of the whole pack in my opinion. So I give this like maybe a solid 9, in which to me it looks pretty good. I'm not much of a person that likes dark blue. I'm more like a light blue person, but this dark blue type of violet colorway looks really incredible in my opinion. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.